Right, we'll make a start to this simple method of cooking chicken. First, some cooking oil, vegetable oil in this case. And into the bowl there. Then here are the frozen chicken fillets, lovely fillets of chicken. Right, so here is the foil. There's your chicken fillet, frozen solid. So we coat with a liberal coating of cooking oil, both sides. And then we'll make it into a parcel. Place it, we're going to cook it in that dish. So here goes another one now. All lovely pieces of chicken fillet. And here goes the last fella. Again, a nice piece of chicken, as you can see. But this system, or this recipe or method, gives them a really good taste. I really recommend it. There they are, ready for the oven. A very tasty way of doing the chicken, as you'll find out when they come out of the oven. We put them in the oven for half an hour, then turn it and do a half an hour again on the other side. And after that, that's it. It's so simple, but they come out very tasty. Right, here we go. They're going in the oven now. And they're in the upper middle shelf. One up, or in our case, two down. So that's 200 degrees Celsius, and we turn them after half an hour. Right, there we are. That's a half-hour buzzer. Off with the buzzer. We bring the chicken out and turn it. So do be careful, it will be hot. There we are. So here we go for the second half hour. There we are. So the buzzer's set for another half hour. When that goes, they should be perfectly cooked. Right, that's the last half hour done. So now I'll get them out of the oven and we'll leave them for about 10 minutes just to let them rest. Wow, they're well done, by gum. So we'll just leave them now, say 10 minutes just to let them rest. Right, I'm now going to open the parcels and see how well we've done. Yes, that's well cooked there, beginning to brown. Right, here we go, number 2. There we are, steaming away. Starting to brown on the edge there. Right, here we go. There we are, steaming away. Lovely. Really soft, melts in the mouth. Be really good, particularly say on a summer's day with a salad. And here we're in the middle of winter. Yeah, it's nice though. Excellent and very easy. I mean, look at them. Beautiful piece of chicken, all of them. Lovely. If you enjoy this recipe and find the chicken very tasty, and I'm sure you will, don't forget to subscribe, and any comments would be more than welcome. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed watching Old Jim cooking chicken.